Hi guys, just a quick video on an Audi Q7 2014 height level sensor. I couldn't find a video on YouTube. Hopefully this will help someone. Okay, so this is my old one which I've taken out, and my new one which is just in there. Now when you get your new one, it obviously comes complete with a bracket which goes on there like that with the two screws, which I have taken off the old one because I'm still using the old bracket. So all you got to do is detach the sensor from the metal bracket for you to just switch the plastic bit, which is the actual main sensor, and not the metal bracket which is here. So just saves your job from undoing the suspension arm, which is this bolt here, if you wanted to replace the other bracket complete with it. But however, just to make it easier and quicker, I've just chose to take off the two screws off the old one and just transfer the new sensor on and the two new screws that came with it. So, and then I'll just carry on assembling this back by obviously goes back up into the suspension arm, just there. So I don't know where I had my camera, so just goes back up there, and it locks in with this pin here, and hopefully this will help someone.